In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to enter a payment so your credit card balance and your bank accounts stay accurate and up to date. Let's start from the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin recording your payment, look towards the top left of your screen and click on the button labeled New. This is the same button you use to create most transactions, like invoices, expenses, and bills, and it's where QuickBooks keeps the option for recording credit card payments. When that menu opens, you'll see several sections. Under the section labeled Other, look for the option that says Pay Down Credit Card and select it. This tells QuickBooks that you're not making a regular expense, but specifically paying down an existing credit card balance. A new form will open. At the top, you'll see a drop-down for either payee or credit card, depending on your setup. From this drop-down, choose the credit card you're making a payment on. It should match the credit card account you've already set up in your chart of accounts. Taking a second here to choose the correct card will help keep your reports accurate, especially if you manage multiple cards. Next, enter the payment amount. This should be the exact dollar amount you're sending to the credit card company, whether it's the minimum payment, the full balance, or something in between. It's a good idea to double-check this amount against your actual bank or credit card statement before you move on. After that, select the payment date. Use the date the payment was actually made or is scheduled to clear. This matters for your reconciliations later on, because you want your QuickBooks records to line up with your bank and credit card statements. Now choose the bank account or checking account you're using to make this payment. This is the account where the money is coming from. Picking the correct account ensures that QuickBooks reduces the balance of that bank account and reduces the balance of the credit card at the same time. If you paid by check or electronic funds transfer, enter the check number or the EFT reference number in the appropriate field. This makes it easier to trace the payment later if you ever need to confirm it during reconciliation or an audit. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your credit card payment is now recorded in QuickBooks Online, and your accounts should reflect that change accurately.